Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to block someone online application using your smartphone. If you want to stop someone from messaging or contacting you online, then here is how you do it. Start off by opening up the Line application on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your friends list from the home page and select the friend you want to block. Go ahead and swipe left on the username and you'll see a block button. Tap on it and click on block in order to block the contact. Once you do this, that person will no longer be able to send you messages or call you online. If you ever change your mind, you can always unblock the person later. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.